So it's simply a question of typing in a postcode and then clicking on the Find Address button just above the address field 1. Now this launches a pop-up, and you can see that it's found a series of addresses that are at that postcode. So I just double click on whichever one I want, and you'll see it populates all the address lines. Actually, you don't have to use the postcode. You could begin to type in address line 1, for example, and click on Find Address, and you can see the pop-up has found 3 possible addresses that match my first line, and again just double click and it will load the address into the address fields, and it's as simple as that. So the plugin is provided by a third-party organisation called HopeWiser. Pricing is just based upon credit, so you can see it's using the Royal Mail Postcode Address Finder for the UK, and the more credits you buy, the lower the cost is, so from 5.4p upwards. You can add on other data sets where you can find, for example, multiple residences if you've got blocks of flats and things, or bring in also OS, Ordnance Survey information, and international addresses as well.